phase controlled converter would increase with increasing they have given four parameters: supply voltage, supply frequency, load current, and source inductance. Okay, if you see here, we can draw the equivalent circuit. When you have source inductance, this is omega L by pi. Current flowing through this one is I naught. There is a load, and this is output voltage V naught. Okay, now what is this omega L by pi here? Omega L by pi is called as commutation reactance. Okay, this is commutation reactance. I can write this one as 2 pi f into L by pi into I naught. Okay, this is into I naught. Then it is called as commutation voltage. Okay, now if you see here, the overlap angle of a phase controlled rectifier, it is represented by mu, is increased. Okay, now if you increase current I naught, what happens here? Output voltage across load is equal to V naught minus drop due to overlap angle. Okay, this overlap angle will depend upon this product, or you can say this product. Okay, now the product consists of I naught, F, and L. Okay, all are directly proportional to overlap angle mu. That means you can increase I naught or F naught or L to increase overlap angle mu. So option B is correct answer.
Is power dissipated in the 5 ohm resistor for the circuit below is. Here if we apply, that is VA minus VB is 10. Okay, now next VA, this is equation 1, VA plus 12 VB is 30, this is equation 2. If we subtract second equation from 1, we will get 13 VB is 20, that is VB is 20 by 13. So I is current through the 5 ohm resistor is VB minus 5 by 5 ohm resistor. So P is I square into R. Then we will get this as 2.4 watts. Hence option B is correct. Question is, a 4-bit resistor network based D2A converter is shown in the figure. The output corresponding to the number. Here 1010 is the input. Means MSB switch is closed as well as the second from the LSB switch is closed. So the current is, this current is nothing but this current. Here I is 10 by 10k plus 10 by 40k. So V naught is minus I into 5k, because this is the polarity V naught is from here. So 1 milliamp plus 0.25 milliamp 1.5k 1.25 milliamp into 5k. So that is 6 minus 6.25 volts. Hence option B is correct.
Feedback system is shown in figure, and its root locus of its characteristic equation is drawn like this. Okay, now here first question is, if point 5 minus 5 comma 0 is a point on the root locus, the variable parameter k of the system at point P is. Okay, see here, there are two poles and 1 0 in this root locus characteristic equation. Okay, now what is this open loop transfer function of this root locus? It is given as k times of, there are two poles, so at pole at minus 1 and a pole at minus 2 and a 0 at minus 3. So this is the overall open loop transfer function of this system. Okay, now we have to check whether minus 5 comma 0 is a point on the root locus or not. there is a condition that if a root locus branch is represented like this, what does it mean? That it means that this branch is on root locus plot. Okay. To satisfy this branch to be on root locus, we should have 2q plus 1 into 180 by n minus m. Okay, what is this one? Odd number of 180s present on this branch. Okay, now to satisfy a point on the root locus, it should satisfy magnitude condition. This is what? Angle condition for root locus branch. What is magnitude condition? Magnitude of transfer function, that is CRF into R of S, which is equal to 1. Okay. Now what does it mean? That at S is equal to minus 5, this condition should be satisfied. This is plus 1. Okay. Now substitute this one. At S is equal to minus 5, so this is minus 5 plus 3 into minus 5 plus 1 into minus 5 plus 2. Magnitude is equal to 1. From this we will get K as 6. Option is C. Okay. Now next one we have to find is, for a unity feedback system shown in figure, the root locus of the characteristic equation with variable parameter K equal to 2. What is the closed loop transfer function? We found that open loop transfer function is, that is CRF by R of S, which is equal to K times of S plus 3 by S plus 1 into S plus 2. Now in question, he has given this variable parameter K as 2. Okay. What does it mean? That this is 2 times of S plus 3 by S plus 2 into S plus 2, which is equal to G of S. Now what is closed loop transfer function? For unity feedback system, G of S by 1 plus G of S. Okay. So this is 2 times of S plus 3 by S square plus 3S plus 2 plus 2S plus 6, which is equal to 2 times of S plus 3 by S square plus 5S plus 8. Okay. So option B is correct.